Hello everybody. Today I've found the 2024 Mustang Darkhorse. So let's do a quick little walk around. Check out the big Brembo brakes on there. Very cool. It's the first one I've seen actually out. It's a test car still, but first one I've actually seen on the road. Can't really see inside too well. Try to get a side shot there, the tent lights, the new design, it's pretty cool. Check out the black exhaust tips, large quad tips. See if we can see the interior better on this side. I know this is going to be kind of a short video, but there's the 2024 Mustang Darkhorse. One more look at the front. Notice the black accents on the front too. That color is awesome. Alright, I'll see you next time. Leave a comment below on what you think of the new Mustang. Alright, see you next time.